In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a row based on a cell value in Excel. This is a really useful technique when you're working with large spreadsheets and you want certain rows to stand out automatically. For example, you might want to highlight all rows where the status is completed, or where a value is above a certain threshold. Instead of manually coloring each row, we'll use conditional formatting so Excel does the work for you. First, open your Excel file and make sure your data is organized in a proper table, or at least in a clear rectangular range. It helps if your first row contains headers like name, status, or amount, because that makes it easier to understand and select the correct columns. Next, highlight the entire range of rows that you want to format. Don't just select a single column. Select all the columns that make up each row you want to highlight. For instance, if your data runs from column A to column F, click and drag to select from A2 down to F, covering all the rows in your dataset. Now, with that range selected, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Find the Conditional Formatting button, click it, and from the drop-down, choose New Rule. In the window that appears, select the option that says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This is the key step that lets us base the formatting on a specific cell in each row. In the formula box, type a formula that refers to the cell in the row that should control the highlighting. For example, if you want to highlight rows where the value in column C is greater than 100, you might type something like in C2 to $100. Notice the $ before the column letter. This locks the column, while the row number adjusts automatically for each row in your selection. Once you've entered your formula, click the Format button. Here you can choose how the highlighted rows should look. Maybe a light fill color, a different font color, or bold text. Keep it readable and not too intense, especially if you'll print or share the file. When you're happy with the formatting, click OK to close the format window. Then click OK again to apply the rule. You should now see all rows that meet your condition highlighted instantly. If you change a cell value so it no longer meets the condition, the highlight will disappear automatically, and new rows that match will be highlighted as you go. That's all there is to it. You've now set up dynamic row highlighting based on a cell value in Excel.